Hi guys, this is Ethan, the Super Tech Kid. Welcome to episode 1, season 1 of the Super Tech Kid show. This is the YouTube channel where I upload every Sunday on how to solve your technology problems. But as an extra, added bonus, if you want, leave in the comments below, what do you think should I add next? And I will release a special edition video on your comment. Today's video, we are going to look at how to use slide over apps and split screen on a supported iPad. And before we get into the video, just remember, like, subscribe, and hit the bell button so you never miss out on a new episode. So let's get into the video. Okay, so let's get started. The first thing you need to do is check that you're on iPad OS 13. To check, try upping your volume. If you see a volume bar at the top of the screen, then you're on iPad OS 13. If you see a volume bar in the middle blocking your view, then you're on iOS 12 or lower. If you're on iOS 12 or lower, I will release a tutorial on how to use split screen and slide over on an iPad, but if you have iPad OS 13, then this is for you. So let's get started. So, say I'm in Google and I search for an app. I want to search for an app, and I want to download it. So what I do is drag up the dock, swipe up from the bottom, and touch and hold on App Store. Touch and hold. Then you're going to drag it all the way to the right or all the way to the left. And this brings up split screen. So this way you can be more productive. You can swipe more to the right, more to the left. And yeah. So you can be more productive. So, and if you just don't want it anymore, you can swipe it out. And if you want it back, you can always bring it back. Now, when you bring up multitasking screen to see all your apps, it'll come up with both of them on one screen. So when you go back onto it, then it'll come here in split screen. And that's pretty much it for split screen. So now let's move on to slide over. So when the same scenario, I want an app that I find on Google. So touch and hold on the App Store, drag it over. But this time, I want not all the way to the right or the left, just only so you can see the App Store and it's a bit blurry, but you still have full screen Google. Then you release. And that's slide over. If you want one app more than the other, and you can always go change to the other side. And if you want to see multiple apps that you have on slide over, swipe up from the bottom. I don't have anything extra. And if you don't want it at all, just drag up. And one other thing, touch and hold, drag. Now, if you want to put it away for the time being, on the top of the slide over app, hold down and drag to whichever side you want. And that's it for split screen and slide over. Thanks for watching, guys. That's the end of the video. That was our first episode on our first season. Always tune in every Sunday, solve your tech problems. Leave in the comments below what do you want to see, and I will reply to you if I think you're the best one. Before we go, make sure you definitely subscribe to me. Make sure you like this video and hit the bell button so you never miss out on a single episode. And thanks for watching.